Here's how to connect your Insta360 X6 to the Insta360 app. X6 supports NFC with the camera's NFC sensing area located below the screen. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone, then hold your phone's NFC sensing area close to the cameras. The Insta360 app will open automatically and take you directly to the album page. For Android phones, hold the phone horizontally against the sensing area. For iPhones, hold the phone upright against the sensing area for the best results. Manual connection. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone, then open the Insta360 app. Tap the camera icon to search for and connect to your X6. The first time you connect, confirm the connection request on the camera's touchscreen. If you're unable to connect, make sure there are no major obstructions between your camera and phone. Then try the following steps. First, swipe down on the camera's touchscreen to open the shortcut menu. Open Wi-Fi settings and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Next, open your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Select the camera's Wi-Fi network and enter the password shown on the camera. Finally, return to the Insta360 app and tap the camera icon at the bottom of the screen to connect.